But if I had to just take, as soon as I think about those boys, I think they remind me of like how every team is. Like, you go back to your school days, they pull each other's legs. Good afternoon, everyone. Well, I think some amazing memories have come back from my second trip this year around. And as he said, this is not my first trip to New Zealand. Very excited to be a part of the same campaign, which I really believe in, which I enjoy, which is 100% pure New Zealand. And right here, I think this is the easiest trip that I had to make because this was they didn't have to convince me at all. I was really happy and excited to go once again.
But I am interested to know a little more about some of the people that you met when you were down in New Zealand. You mentioned Stephen and Brendan. If you could just sort of elaborate a little bit more on who those people are. I'm sure the audience already knows who they are, but...
Oh, in India, I don't think they need an introduction,
the
Stephen and Brendan. But if I had to just take, as soon as I think about those boys, I think they remind me of like how every team is. Like, you go back to your school days, they pull each other's legs. They're extremely sporting, very informative about, their homeland. And we played cricket at the Oval Ground, which was exciting, which is where the opening of the World Cup had happened. So I was there, luckily. And then I took those guys on a bike ride, on a Harley Davidson bike ride, which was very exciting once again. And I got a bat from Brendan. He was sweet enough to give me a bat, which has a very cool name on it, which is, it's an interesting story. Brendan's very fond of horses. So Brendan has names his bat according to his favorite horses. So I have a specially signed bat from Brendan, which has his horse's name actually. So yeah, loads and loads of memories with those boys, and hopefully I get to see them again.
मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये है कि मतलब कि ट्रैवलिंग कितना लाइफ को अच्छा बनाता है और क्यों ज़रूरी है, और आपने ट्रैवलिंग करके क्या चीज़ अपने में पाया, ये बताएं.
आई थिंक बहुत ही अच्छा सवाल है. पहले जो शुरुआत मैंने इस इवनिंग की करी थी, इसी सवाल से करी थी कि यहाँ पे मैं सिर्फ ये ब्रांड या ये कंट्री प्रमोट करने नहीं आया. आई थिंक पहले मैं प्रमोट करने आया हूँ ट्रैवलिंग के लिए, कि बताना कि कितना ज़रूरी है हम सब के लिए ट्रैवल करना. बिकॉज अगर आप अपने घर से बाहर नहीं निकलते, ट्रैवल नहीं करते, तो आपकी जो सोच है, आपकी जो दुनिया है, वो छोटी ही रहती है. आई थिंक तो पहले अपनी दुनिया को बड़ा बनाने के लिए आपको घर से बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा, दुनिया देखनी पड़ेगी, ट्रैवल करना पड़ेगा, लोगों की कही सुनी पे आप ना बात माने, और अपने ओन एक्सपीरियंसेस पे अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंस रखें, तो वही एक इंडिविजुअल पर्सनैलिटी बनाता है. तो आई थिंक आई डेफिनेटली इंडोर्स दैट कि ट्रैवलिंग करना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. ट्रैवलिंग इज समथिंग दैट एड्स सो मच टू योर पर्सनैलिटी. एंड वैसे मैंने कहा, आई थिंक न्यूजीलैंड में कितनी चीज़ें मैंने देखी, या अगर इनकी जो नेचुरल ब्यूटी हो, अगर आप देखें कि किस तरह इनका जो रिस्पेक्ट है फॉर देयर फॉरेस्ट, दे हैव रिस्पेक्ट फॉर देयर वाइल्ड लाइफ, कैटल, पीपल, they have a lifestyle which is comparatively less stressful, in terms of, मतलब इनका कल्चर है. तो आई थिंक ऐसा कल्चर आप देखते हैं तो आपको भी सीखने को मिलता है कि यार, you have to take certain days off in a week, you have to do something which also relaxes you, go out, do fun activities, adventure sports. इन सब चीज़ों के लिए आपको टाइम निकालना बहुत ज़रूरी है. That's what I've learned. And इन सब चीज़ों में जो मज़ा आता है वो आपको करने से ही पता चलता है. I can't explain you कि कितना मज़ा आता है प्लेन से जंप लगाने में. वो आपको एक्सपीरियंस ही करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज हर किसी का एक्सपीरियंस अलग होता है. तो आई हैव ऑल दैट टू थैंक फॉर to New Zealand and these guys for making me do all these adventurous and cool and amazing things. So yeah, thank you guys once again.
When is the best time to visit New Zealand and why?
Anji, sorry?
When is the best time to visit?
When is the best time to visit New Zealand? I think New Zealand का जो मौसम है यहाँ से अलग है. They have a different weather pattern from us. Like it's when यहाँ पे ज़्यादा ठंड होती है, वहाँ comparatively it's warmer. So I think that's totally up to you. Whether you're going for the snow, you could ski. I know you could ski in June, July there, which is a great activity. And I know during say December or Jan, Feb is when it starts getting warmer, so you can get out more. So that's completely up to you. I have gone there both times during November and October on that kind of period, and the weather's been pleasant. There is no such extreme weather that I felt. वहाँ की एक तो हवा ही इतनी साफ है और अलग है जो हमारे यहाँ पे या जो दिल्ली से कंपैरेटिव है, तो आई थिंक कुछ कंपटीशन नहीं है. आप किसी भी मौसम में जाएंगे आपको डेफिनेटली पसंद आएगा, क्योंकि जैसे मैंने कहा आपको, मैं कितना भी एक्सप्लेन कर लूँ आपको वहाँ जाके ही समझ आएगी, तो यू हैव टू एक्सपीरियंस इट.
If I can just add a little bit on there, as I said earlier, New Zealand is a popular destination for international visitors. And our summer is January, February. It's a beautiful time, but it's quite busy. It's quite full. So some of the other times of the year to go would be much better in terms of having a real experience in New Zealand. So the sort of the shoulder seasons for us, March, April, May, June even. Middle of winter is great, very different from the temperatures that you would.
So when is winter in New Zealand exactly?
So July, August is the middle of our winter.
August. So
June, July, August.
यहाँ की गर्मियों की छुट्टियों में वहाँ पे आप ठंडी एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं.